Yeah. 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 We're back. We're back. It's like I never left. It's like I never left. It's like I was here the whole time. I just took a little nap and I came right back. It's like I never even left you guys. I've been here the whole time. We just took a little cat nap and now we're right back. I got my protein shake here. Hold on, let me shake. Let me shake my protein shake. I just had an amazing workout. I did chest, tries, and shoulders, and then fasted cardio on the stairs. Like a gentleman. We're back for another amazing stream. New York session today. New York, NY. We're here early, 30 minutes before the market open. I'm extremely blessed, excited to be here for another day. So we'll talk about trading, but let me get my morning expression out to you guys, just let you know that, every single day I got to come here and just give thanks. I give thanks to you. I give thanks to the ChartFanatics team for giving me the amazing opportunity to stream here on their channel, to have my dream job, my dream career. This is everything that I've ever wanted in life. So there's not a day where I take this for granted. Yeah, I'm just super excited to be here for another day. We're going to see if we could cook something up in New York. We did well in Asia last night, right? We're still in our swings on gold. Gold is currently creating a small retracement, but nothing that we're concerned about, nothing that we're scared about. We're just let our trade run, and it does what it does, and we let the probabilities play out, right? And we're going to see if we could cook something up in New York, get a nice little inversion set up. We typically will trade for the New York setup, the 930 to 950 model, and we're just going to go from there. We're going to have an amazing stream. We're going to talk about trade, we're going to talk about the model. We'll talk about any questions you guys have, any concerns, any confusion on the model, anything else that you need advice with, whether it be perfecting your edge, whether it be psychology, any questions you guys got, I will try to answer all of them to my best of my ability today in the stream. I'm on my cozy vibes again, guys. I did a pretty good job matching. I got the hat going. I got the hat going. I got the nice little green. Look at the matching I did today. Hat green, the little the green sweatshirt, the green on the Cardi watch, the green eyes. Green hat, green sweatshirt, green on the Cardi watch, green eyes. Come on. I'm color coordinating today. I'm becoming an adult. I'm learning how to match. I'm very excited to do this stream with you and, just hang out for the next 2 hours. So, let me put my sponsorship voice on. Then I will address everybody in the chat and we'll hopefully take a trade at the 9:30 open. We'll see how we roll. We do have the government shutdown, so things are a little weird right now. I've never traded during times like this, so this is a first. It's a first. Let me do my sponsorships, go through my sponsorship voice, and then we'll get into the charts. So, let's get into our beautiful sponsors today. I'm your host, Tyler John Gotel, and here come the sponsors for today's episode. First off, highly undervalued, underutilized platform, TradeZella, code CF20. For 20% off at TradeZella. Also, we're going to have a giveaway for 6 months. TradeZella. So please, guys, utilize this platform, backtest, build your edge, perfect your craft, take this serious. This is the platform to do it. This is the platform that's going to turn you into a fantastic trader and really give you an edge in the market. Now, Apex Trader Funding, the 80% off did end at 11:59 p.m. last night, but now they're running 50%. 50% off right now. I'm hoping that maybe there's a 90% in the future, but for right now, we do have 50% off at apextraderfunding.com. Code CF. I'm wearing my shirt. The best futures platform in the entire game as far as scalability and ROI is concerned. Apex Trader Funding to my right. Apex Trader Funding. Code CF. Now, our next sponsor of the day, Funded Next. Code CF. Now, what's so special about Funded Next? You're like, oh, long-standing, reliable firm in the space. They're also giving you 15% off. I mean, 15% of what you, not 15% off, 15% of what you make in the evaluation stage, which is awesome. So you're getting paid while you're completing the eval. A great model that they have there. One of the first to ever do that in this space, and they've been long-standing, and they're crushing it. I wish I could trade with them. I really wish I could, because I would be max allocated with them. And next, get your free 5-minute weekly newsletter at themarketjournal.com. At themarketjournal.com, and to compare and contrast all your various different prop firms. The prop firm trader to my right, to compare and contrast all your different various prop firms, whether it be, oh, do I want to compare and contrast different firms based on reviews, different firms based on rules and regulations. They got it all for you at the prop firm trader. Please go and make your way over to the prop firm trader to compare and contrast all your different prop firm needs. I'm your host, Tyler John Gotel, and that's our sponsors for today's episode. How did I do? Now I can properly address the chat. Here we go. All right, so how do I want to do this? All right, how we doing this morning, guys? How we doing? How are we freaking doing today? I love you guys. I freaking love you guys. Let me just check on Goldie real quick. Hold on. All right, nothing too concerned about on gold. Little retracement, totally normal. Totally fine. Let's get back to NQ here. Let's get NQ up here on the 15. Make sure we get the 15 up here. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, wait. Yeah. Hold on, guys. Let me get my charts ready here. Boom. All right. So, since today, don't get too confused by my charts, right? You know what? I'll keep it easier. No, because I kind of want to see how the 15 minutes playing. This is the 15 minute down here. I'm going to have the 15 minute down here and the 1 minute, right? The 15 minute and the 1 minute. Wait, maybe I could do... So we are going to mark out... You know what? This is what we're going to do. Instead of this, I'm going to show you something that's easier. Hold on. Give me 1 sec, guys. We're going to have this marked out. Boom. We're inside of our kill zone here. Let's mark out all of our areas of interest, right? So let's go here real quick. Let me greet everyone in the chat. Let me see who's here right now. Who's here with me? Let me say what's up. Let me say what's good to the gang. I'm scrolling all the way up here. Satvan, DP, Toter, Godfrey, Gillian, Kiara. Who else is in here? Lucky Star, FH Capital, Ibiza, Tyler Trades for Days, Love, Lucky Star, Pamela, 5 Handles, Mr. Wonder, Shah, Ricci, Satvan, Manifest FX. Who else we got? Dynamite. The whole gang is here, yo. The whole gang. Habib, Cricket, Tudor, Me Dog and Cat Adventure, DOS 1997, Tyra, Dynamite, Amity, Balarezo, my boy Balarezo. Everyone's here in the chat. I love it. I love that you guys are here every single stream. All right. So, this is what let's do something. This is the plan today. Okay? So we don't overload people. We're not going to talk about the 4-hour setup because the 4-hour setup, we're not going to be concerned with it right now. We are concerned with what potentially we could happen on the 15-minute and what also could potentially be happening on the 1 minute. So let's mark out our areas of interest, right? Let's mark out our areas of interest this morning on what we want to see happen, right? That's our first goal. Yo, who else is here? Demon, Daniel Trades, got Football Star, Catalyst, Robin, Omcar, Rob FX. What's good, everyone? What the frick is good? All right, let's mark out our areas of interest here. So, previous day high is up here. There's PDH. We'll mark out PDH. Boom. PDH is right here. Previous daily low already taken. Previous daily low already taken. We're not concerned with it. Right? What else is here for the taking? Asia session high. Right here. This is Asia. Boom. This is Asia session high. Let's mark out Asia. This is Asia high. So we have Asia high, previous daily high. London, let me see here. No, Asia's here. This is Asia high. Asia starts at 20. Boom. Asia high's here. 20. Hold on, guys. We're marking out our areas of interest. Asia high's here. Previous daily high's up here. What else is intact? We have, this is London lows down here, right? We're marking out all of our previous session highs and lows. This is key. You want to do this every single day that you come to the market. You have London down here, Asia here, previous daily high up here, right? We are looking good so far. So now that we have that marked out, I'm also going to be utilizing here as well, right? I like to trade on, I don't know what it is, but I like to trade. Let me get this off there. So there's no free brand deals here, okay? Boom. Here we go. Any questions or concerns? Check gold? Yeah, I'll check gold. What's Goldie up to? Goldie's chilling. Guys, Goldie's chilling. Goldie's chilling. There's no need to look at gold. There's no need to look at gold. We're in on the 4-hour time frame. This is a beautiful trade. You don't need to look at this every 4-hour candle. Just leave it, man. The job is done. The job is done. We're only going to be concerned with trading NQ. I'm here for the open, right? I trade NQ for the open. That's it. I don't even look at gold. I don't look at gold. So we're not even going to be concerned with gold today, right? We don't want to confuse everyone else that is here. We're going to be trading NQ. You don't need to baby this. Let it fucking go. This is, our analysis is done. Our game plan's done. We executed our edge, and you just walk away. You don't need to analyze this. Everything is taken care of already, right? There's no extra analysis needed. The hard work is done. We came to the market. We were disciplined. We were patient. We waited for this 4-hour swing, and we're in. You do not need to fucking look at this anymore. Do not be concerned with it. Walk away. You'll be a better trader when you do this. I promise you. You do not need to baby this shit anymore. Don't even look at it. You don't even worry about it. You're good, bro. You're fucking good. Okay? You don't get scared. You don't get worried. Your emotions are gone. We're executing our edge based on probabilities. That's it. That is it. Right? Gold is chilling. Yes. Are you? Oh my God. Oh no. This 4-hour candle's retracing. I don't give a shit. We can come all the way back to break even, and I still don't care. I don't care. I do not care. This is part of it. This is part of the trade, part of the game. This could come all the way back down to break even today, right? And I don't give a fuck. You got to be able to do that, right? So you don't care. You're chilling. That's it. Hey, Tyler, would you go over criteria for the order block? I don't trade order blocks. Yeah, that's what I mean, guys. This is it. You got to keep this simple. You have a systematic edge. You come into the market every single day. The market's not open yet, so we're not really concerned. We could talk about gold for right now. So the trade that we are currently in on is gold, right? And last night we did get a last-minute entry for a short that I did take, and I alerted it in the Discord. Actually, one of the members actually alerted it because I was already in bed at the time, and he goes, yo, check gold. I had a last-minute entry on a short. But let's go over that in Asia session because I don't want everyone to get confused with all the different models. They're going to be like, your head's going to be all over the place. So we'll talk about the trade that we're currently in that I alerted way ahead of time. This is the trade, right? We're in on a swing. We're in decent profits right now. Gold is retracing on the H4, but we don't care. We do not care, right? Our edge is there. We played it out. We have our stops in place. We're in decent profits. We're not break even. We don't care if we come back down to the fair value gap again. That's it. You guys got to learn to chill the fuck out. Every little move that you can't paper hand trades, bro. On my swing trade, let me give you a little bit of knowledge. On my swing trade, when I hit the 1 to 51 R, my trade would be up 25 grand, come back, all the way back to 8,000, come back to 5,000. I'd be up 35,000, right? It would come all the way back up to 15,000, come back up to 10,000. I didn't give a shit. I just let the trade breathe, man. The edge was played out. The probabilities were there. The hard work was done. You just gotta let it chill. It's not gonna do everything you want right away. That's not how the markets work. You don't just get in and it's like, oh, it flew to 100R right away. No, I'm sorry, that's not how things work here. You gotta be patient. The patient trader is the one that gets paid. Your edge is there. You're sharp. You're a disciplined trader. You don't care. That's it. You leave it. We're leaving it. Do you know what? Do you guys understand? I love that, Ricci. This week is a backtesting week for you. Amazing. Gavin, my confluences, yeah, of course. My confluences are, the confluence is this, right? This is a confluence. The confluence is the model. The model is the confluence, right? So, this is it. This is the confluence. So the confluence is, we drive down, have strong manipulation, right? Gold is selling off. I don't care, right? We could very well tap back into this fair value gap today, right? We could get stopped. I don't care. It doesn't matter. But you play the edge like you play your hand. That's it. So the confluence is this. We came down, had this big bearish fair value gap get printed, right? Although we didn't sweep the low, right? We didn't sweep the low. We closed with a strong bullish price action here. This is a B plus setup. Why? But if you also see, we also respected this 4-hour fair value gap, right? We came down, respected this 4-hour fair value gap, closed bullish, although we didn't sweep the low, so we didn't get CRT. We're inside of this 4-hour fair value gap. We closed back above the fair value gap here. Immediately, on the next candle, we closed back above. Immediately. So this shows you, right? This is the confluence. The model is the confluence. You don't need any other confluences but your model. Your model is the confluence, right? You don't need any other confluences other than that. So based on my edge and my back testing, this is still an entry I'm willing to take. I showed you guys what could potentially happen on entries like this. This is totally worth it to get stopped out 1% to make over 30R, right? Don't you think? Even if it's a B plus setup. So yeah, I'm taking this fucking trade every single time. But you need to let it breathe. Give it room. Let it chill. That's it. Detach from the outcome. Execute your strategy. Every single time. I couldn't have said it better myself. Detach from the candlesticks. This is the edge. The edge is going to play out. If it doesn't, we don't care. We come to trade another... We live to trade another day. That's all you can do. Right? You let the probabilities play out. This is a statistical game. You're not acting on emotion. There's no emotion here. We're acting on the edge. And we're on the 4-hour time frame, right? So we're on a larger scale time frame. The probabilities are in our favor that, you know, we have great data on the 4-hour time frame, right? And at me as a trader, my edge is built on the higher time frames, right? I'm a strong trader. I'm a strong trader on as far as swing trading is concerned and the higher time frames. So I just let this play out, baby. That's all I'm doing. Oh, Rizzy boy. How do you determine when to exit a trade like this or when to take partials? Gavin, I tell every single trader, not everyone is going to be able to hold a trade to its full target. You have to learn to do that in your back testing, right? That's why I tell everyone, do not trade the exact... Me and you will never trade the exact same, ever. We will never trade the same. What I do best is I hold large trades to full target. Not everyone's going to be able to do that, and that's totally fine. But you can think about it like this. If you backtest and you're like, yo, I don't like to hold for that long, I'm okay with risking a little bit more and holding for a smaller target. Everybody's different. So to come and ask me, yo, how do you hold, what's your TP? You know what I mean? It's like, don't be concerned with that. Be concerned with the education. The trade management, each individual is going to be different. Every person, every trader is going to manage their trades differently. This is an individual game. So be less concerned with how I manage my trades, because I have strengths that you guys will never have, and you guys have strengths that I will never have. Take advantage of those strengths. If you can add another confluence, like say you get a confirmation, right, on a 4 hour, and then you're like, yo, I get the confirmation on the 4 hour, but maybe I could drop down to a 15 and get another precise entry there. Go ahead, right? You have to be able to do things on your own. I can only hold your hand so much, right, guys? I love you guys to death. I want to teach you to fish, but I can only do so much, right? I'm going to give you as much as I possibly can, but I only could do so much for you, right? You got to go and do shit on your own. You have to. I'm trying to help you to the best of my ability, but I can't hold your hand through every single fucking step. I can't, man. It's not realistic. You can't be like, yo, Ty, what's your TP? What's your stop? It's like, bro, I'm gonna tell you a model that I utilize, and then you got to go out on your own and be able to backtest it and have the confidence in the model yourself. I have the confidence in my model. Why? Because I've been backtesting it like a maniac. I have the data. You guys don't have that. You're only going off my word of mouth right now, right? You're like, all right, Ty's a good, authentic person. He has a, he's been trading in the prop space. He has payouts. I like what he's doing, but that's not enough. That's not enough. You don't have the confidence behind the model because you haven't backtested it yet. You need to have that. I'm just telling, you're going off word of mouth through me, and I will never tell you to do that, right? I always will maintain integrity and give you, and guide you on the right path, but it's not enough. It's not enough, man. You need the data on your own. You need the confidence in the model, and the only way you're going to do that is by seeing it over and over and over again and backtesting, right? You could do that on our beautiful platform on TradeZella, right? And it's really going to help you out in the long term and help you become a profitable trader. You got to have the fucking screen time, dude. I can't teach you that. I can't. It's something you can never teach someone. You have to have that screen time on your own. How many years of data do I have on this model? On my 4 hour, I have around, on my Trident model, I have 6 years. On my 4 hour model, I have like 5 to 6 years as well. So yeah, on the 4 hour time frame, you can get a lot of backtesting done because you're on a higher time frame. Like I said, the entries aren't going to happen as frequently, and I'm okay with that. I have my other models that pick up, right? When the 4 hour entry's not there, I have a 15 minute. I have a 1 minute. I have the Asia session, right? I have other pairs. This is what makes me a diverse trader. I now have I have the Trident model. I have multiple plays in my playbook now. So when one model is slow, the other one picks up. Bro, why don't I have a course? Because I want to give as much back to you guys as possible without a course. I know what it's like to not have a whole bunch of money, and I feel for you guys, and I just wanted to have someone out there that was, I make enough money trading, and I just want to give back to you as much as I can right now, for free at no costs, because I just feel like there's so many bad apples in the space right now, and it's just not something that I'm interested in doing. That's not to say that I would ever not consider it. It's just like, I want to give as much back to you guys for free right now as possible, right? And that's something that I take pride in, right? I make money in trading. I don't need to go and just overload you guys with a fucking course and shit. So I just know what it's like to not have a lot of money, and I want you guys to be able to focus on trading, be able to focus on scaling your capital with prop firms, and if I can help you guys in any way, just with the free content that I'm providing to you right now, it's just like, I don't know. I want to separate myself from all the other people that are in the fucking space doing the wrong thing. That's all. And I just want to maintain authenticity and give you guys real value, and be proud of that, and have you guys value me as not only a trader, but as a person, and as someone that you guys could look up to, as a mentor. And yeah, I take pride in myself and how I carry myself in the industry and how I carry myself as a person. And I just want to do the right thing. And helping others is something that means a lot to me. And that's what I value. And that's how I feel about the matter right now. You know, I like giving you guys, you know, having the free Discord, having as much free information out there for you guys as possible, for you guys to learn, for you guys to grow, for you to blossom into my beautiful group of traders that you guys are going to one day look back and be like, yo, TG helped me become profitable. That, when somebody tells me that, I want to see in that Discord, when you guys finally get these models down, I want to see all your fucking payouts right here, right? You're going to come here in the Discord, right? And you're going to drop your fucking profits in here. And all I ask from you to just say, yo, TG helped me secure this payout. If you could do that, that's all I ask. All I ask is for you to drop a like on this video, on this live stream, and for one day when you get those big payouts, all I want to see here is, yo, TG helped me do this. If you do that for me, if you could do that for me, well, I'm going to guide you there. I'm going to get every single one of you there. All I ask for you is join this fucking Discord, right? Get into the best community that we got going right now. We're close to 5,000 members, and when those big payouts come, because I guarantee you I'm going to get you there, all I want you to say is, yo, TG helped me do this shit. That's it. If I could hear that from you guys, I'm telling you, it'll do shit to me that I can't even fucking imagine, bro. You know what I mean? Unlike anything that I could, it'll be way better than the 51,000 big payout that I've ever gotten. To be able to have you guys say that shit in the Discord. What's your Discord link? Yo, mods, can you drop the Discord link, please? I appreciate... What are you guys saying? I appreciate every single one of you. I love you guys. I freaking love you. You guys need a real person here that's gonna guide you, and it's gonna be me. It'll be me, I promise you. But you gotta remember, I can only hold your hand so much. You guys gotta go... I'm going to give you a guiding light. I'm going to be there for you. But you have to go and put some work in outside of the charts without me there, right? You have to want this shit bad, guys. You have to separate yourself from the 95% of people who fucking lose. The only way you're going to do that is by doing shit that other people won't. You have to go and do that. It's crucial, man. It's fucking crucial. You got to put time in behind the charts. You got to record your data. You got to journal. You got to fucking take screenshots. You got to put shit. You want to see my fucking phone? Look at my phone. Look at my phone. Okay? Look at this shit. Look at this. Look at my phone, bro. It's not even pictures of me. It's fucking screenshotted trades. When your girl... Yo, look at it. You can make a meme out of this. When your girl asks, let me see your camera roll. Right? This is a meme. Your girl asks, yo, let me see your camera roll. Okay, here. This is the camera roll of a fucking trader. Right here. Look at it. I'm not hiding shit. Look at this shit. Look. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It fucking charts. Bro, look at my camera roll. Look. It's legit screenshots of trades. That's it. And me doing dumb shit for TikTok. This is what a trader's get. Oh, honey, can I see your Oh, honey. You know what? Oh, I don't trust you. Let me see your camera roll. Fine. Here. Right there. There's my camera roll. This is the shit you gotta fucking do. Look at it. I don't just talk this shit out of my ass, right, guys? I don't talk out of my asshole. I tell you, I speak the truth. This is what I do to become profitable. Look at my fucking phone. Look at it. Your phone should look like this. You gotta want this shit bad, bro. Bad. Look at this. This is no cap. Look. It's all fucking... Look. This is what I did when I was coming up. This is older shit. Look at my phone, bro. Look at it. Payout certificates. Screenshots of the Trident model. This is my camera roll, bro. It's all trades. She thinks you're texting other girls. Meanwhile, I'm texting Michael. She thinks you're... Who are you texting late at night? Oh. Honey, what are you doing on your phone? Honey, why are you up so late? Oh, what do you mean? Why are you on your phone so late? Oh, I'm just screenshotting inversions. Michael, it's 2 a.m. Ty, who you texting? No one. I'm just screenshotting inversions. Where you going so late? Why are you on your phone so late, honey? I don't know. I don't trust you. Let me see. Okay, no problem. Here you go. Why is your camera roll locked? Because I don't want people to get into my phone and see my secret sauce. So I lock my photos. Do you imagine if I just lose this phone? If I lose this device? All right, the market's about to open. If I lose this device, right? And some guy finds it. This guy's gonna be a millionaire. I have to lock the photos. I can't give him free access. I can't. There's too much secret sauce in here. All right, the market's open. Market's open. Market is open. Let's dial in. Let's dial in. Okay, let's dial in. Okay, let's dial in. Hold on here. Hold on here, Johnny. All right, market is open. Where? Well, no, I'm not. Don't need to take my subscription to the next level. I'm already at the next level. Please. Why is this so slow to freaking load? Can you load, please? There we go. All right. Let's see. We are, look like we're heading lower here. Whoa. All right. Guys, let's see what goes. All right. This could be all right. Okay. Okay. Nice big push lower. All right. This could be our first fair value gap. Hold on. Let's maintain patience here. Entered gold. Gold 1 hour. All right, guys, we're monitoring. Guys, we're trading NQ right now. We're not looking at gold. No more gold. We're not trading gold right now. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my. Whoop. Granny. NQ. Good morning to you. And what? NQ. Let's see the 15 on Goldie. Up, Goldie, back up. Would you look at that? Oh, would you look at that? Everyone who got scared. All right, let's see NQ. All right, hit Asia high. Get up there. All right, let's see. Guys, we'll monitor the 15-minute first, right? And then we'll go to here to also see what's going on the 1 minute, right? I'm gonna guide you guys through. We need to keep track of both these time frames. I need to keep track of the 15-minute and the 1 minute. So I'm gonna be bouncing back and forth from both of these. Let's see if we could take Asia high. Ideally, I would like us to run to previous day high and then maybe get a short after that. But it's a stretch. It's a stretch. It's a stretch. Let's just see. Let's see if we can get something here. But we're gonna maintain patience, maintain discipline, and see how we do today. What platform do I trade? I do all my trading on I do all my trading on TradingView, like as far as like my analysis, and then I'll do my entries on Tradeovate for Apex. For my Apex accounts, I'll do Tradeovate. I really like using Tradeovate. I used to hate on Tradeovate a lot, actually, guys. All right, looks like we're going for Asia. I used to hate on Tradeovate so much, but I freaking love Tradeovate now. I love using Tradeovate. It's very, very smooth. One of my favorite platforms to use now. I would like to see us go and run previous day high up here. Oh, it's already marked out for me with this indicator I have. Yo, this is dope. I didn't even see this here. That's pretty sweet. Guys, like I said, one of the indicators, the free one, obviously, for the CRT model, my boy is working on it, 0 to funded. Should be done soon. I think he said by the end of the week he'll have it, and I will drop it in the Discord. It'll be a TradingView add-on, totally free, just to help you guys with the CRT model. And yeah, looking forward to that. I hope you guys love it. I wanted to give you guys an indicator that can make your trading a little bit more mechanical, a little bit easier. So yeah, going to be totally free indicator, of course, because I love you guys. Going to give you guys free shit. And yeah. So be on the lookout for that. I will announce it in the Discord. He's finishing up the final stages of it. And that'll be a free Discord to help you guys with the CRT model. And then, obviously, we'll do a stream to how you guys are going to utilize the indicator. So, whatever I can do to make your trading a little bit easier and a little bit more mechanical, I am here for that, right? So, yeah. So, I have that indicator coming. I freaking love you guys. You know, I'm going to hook you up. I told you, I am your guiding light. I am the guiding light for you. You are all my peacocks. You're all my peacocks. I gotta let you fly. Like this, right here. Like this. I'm gonna show you something. You're gonna say this to me one day. You're gonna say this, right? You're gonna say this. Hold on. Let me get it up here. Right here. One day. I gotta let you fly one day. You're a peacock. I gotta let you fly. Look, right here. One more time. Marky Wahlberg. I gotta let you fly. One day, my little peacocks. One day, each and every single one of you, my little peacocks, I'm gonna see you spread your wings and you're gonna fly. You're gonna fly, and I'm gonna be so damn proud of you, and you're gonna drop all those big fucking payouts in that Discord, and I'm gonna cry tears of joy because I accomplished something. Not trading, right? I already consider myself a good trader, but what my next big accomplishment is obviously, other than my $1 million payout with Apex, is making every single one of you that are in these streams and in that fucking Discord lethal fucking traders. Lethal. Like, you're gonna be a prop firm's worst fucking nightmare. I'm telling you right now. Just like I was in the CFD space. I was a prop firm's worst nightmare. I got banned by 20 fucking firms. They didn't even let me trade there. You know? That's what each and every single one of you is gonna be. We're gonna be the prop firm fucking nightmares, dude. We're gonna be the liquidation team. We're gonna put prop firms out of fucking business. That's what we're gonna do. We're going to be scared. Every single one of you traders here, I'm going to make you into the trader where prop firms are fucking scared. They're going to be scared. Holy shit, he learned from TG. Well, this guy can't trade here. That's how I'm going to turn you into fucking animals. You're going to be animals. You're going to be a prop firm's worst fucking nightmare, especially on those swing trades. They're going to be fucking scared when you come. They're going to be scared. They're going to be like, oh shit, he learned from TG. Damn fucking right you did. Damn right. This kid, we gotta be careful with these group of guys. You are all my peacocks, and we're all gonna fly, and we're gonna be the liquidation team. We're putting prop firms out of fucking business. That's what we're doing. All of us. We're going to be the best traders in the space. Am I tired after doing 2 live streams? No. Listen, guys. I'm going to tell you right now. Apex has enough money for all of us to be profitable, okay? Apex has a bankroll, enough of us for every single one of us to be profitable in the space, okay? With the amount of people that fail those accounts on Apex, every single one of you can be a profitable trader, and it's pocket change to Apex. Pocket change, okay? You guys got to understand that. $500 million in payouts. I'm going to turn every single one of us into extremely profitable traders, right? And you're still going to be part of the 1%. You're going to be part of the 1%. And you know what? Apex has a bankroll where it literally won't even scratch the surface of what they got going on in that firm. Okay? What's going on gold? What's going on gold? Gold's chilling. Everyone relax. Gold is chilling. Stop looking at it. Stop looking at it, I said. No more. You guys stop looking at it. This is honestly so crazy to think about that they can pay out that much and still be stupid profitable. Bro, Dario, they paid out $500 million. You could leverage 20 accounts, right? The ROI on Apex is the best in the industry. I don't give a shit what anybody... You can't say anything negative. Why? Because I turned $3,000 initial investment into $100,000. 100 grand in 24 trading days. I ran those accounts up to $500,000. No firm will have an ROI like that. Not another firm. No firm in the entire industry will give you an ROI like that. I don't give a fuck who it is. They're the GOATs, bro. They're the kings of the industry. All you got, I don't care what anyone says. All you got to do is follow the rules. I broke one rule once, right? And it was entirely my fault. It was my fault. I hit the 30% windfall, and they denied my payout. And I deserved to get denied, right? I traded another 8 trading days, right? And guess what? $40,000 approved in 2 days, even on a Sunday. Even on a Sunday, bro. I was getting $40,000 checks in my bank account, right? Every 8 trading days from a $3,000 initial investment. Passing 50Ks on 90% off. It was $16 an account, and then with the lifetime activation fee, all-in investment was around $2,800. I turned it into over close to 100 grand. 100 fucking G's, bro. No firm is giving you that ROI. None. None. Not another firm in the industry. I don't care who it is. I don't care what any negative person has to say. It's because if you're having problems with Apex, it's because you're manipulating the system. They are the GOATs, and we're all going to be Apex trader funding fucking warriors. I want to see every single one of you in that chat getting $40,000 payouts. And I'm going to take you there. I'm going to guide you there. I'm going to get you there, and we're all going to see $40,000 big payouts from Apex. Okay? How does that fucking sound? Took it. Tutor, I will... USD Chef? I hate that pair. I love you guys, man. We're going to be cooking. Yeah, can you guys just run the likes up? Guys. Yeah, Apex paid out Jade Cap, my brother. 2 M's. Okay? That's my boy. That's my boy. Okay? Biggest payout in prop firm history from Kyle. That's my homie. We're going to get this money, guys. We are. I'm going to guide you there. I'm going to get you there. It just takes patience and it takes discipline, right? You can't rush this. Dario, I just don't... I could check it out. I just don't typically trade the chef that much. You want me to look at it while we're waiting? All right, I'll look at it while we're waiting. FXCM, I'll throw it on here. Oof. Let's look at the chef. Ugh. The 4 hours ugly, man. I mean, what are you guys seeing right now? Let me know what you guys are seeing. Can you tell me your A+ setup again? Yes, absolutely, I can. Guys, whoever asked about USD Chef, can you guide me in what you're seeing? Because the 4 hours very messy. The dailies, I don't see anything I like on the daily. The 4 hours very sloppy. I just don't see anything. I mean, this could be decent. Why? You just took previous daily high, and then you have an inversion, and then you kind of have this trident model here, right? You swept previous daily high right here. Now you have this little trident model. I mean, not a terrible entry. It's just I just don't like how the higher time frames look. AUD USD? All right, I'm checking. Scalping USD Chef. AUD USD? All right, let me see. I haven't checked AUD USD. I don't really typically trade these pairs, guys, but I'll look at them. I'll look at them for you. Let me see. Oh. Whoa. This ain't bad. Hold on here. Whoa. Whoa. Hold on 1 second here. Yo, you guys are fucking learning. It's a little risky because, wow, it's a little riskier of a play because all these EMAs. Wow, I do kind of like this. I do kind of like this, guys. This isn't a bad trade right here. This isn't a bad swing. It's not A+ because all these EMAs aren't over and this didn't close bullish, but this isn't a half bad play right here. Who called this out? Who caught this? This isn't half bad, guys, to be honest with you. Not bad at all. This would have been the prime entry here on the retest. Wow. All right. Okay, I can get down with this. I can get down with this. This isn't a bad trade at all. It's not A+ by any means, but this would be like a B. This would be a B model, so a little bit less risk. But honestly, whoever caught this and called this out, very proud of you. Very fucking proud of you right now. Amazing, bro. Yo, Guri, fucking proud of you, bro. Great catch. Awesome work, dude. Like I said, this would be more of a B+. You typically want to see all these EMAs over the 50, right? As when the entry was presented, you see that this EMA wasn't across yet. But definitely not a bad entry by any means whatsoever. Great call out, bro. Very proud of you. Awesome fucking work. And we would like to see this. You see this candle here, the candle that created the CRT, which created the accumulation, manipulation, distribution. We would ideally like to see this close bullish. So for those reasons, this is a B setup. Would I take it? Yes, because the risk to reward could be astronomical still. But my risk would be less. But great call out, Gory. Fucking awesome shit, dude. Amazing. Like, this makes me proud right now. And you have the inversion immediately right after the fair value gap was printed. We didn't close above these highs. I mean, Gory, this is great stuff here, bro. This is fucking amazing stuff. I'm very proud of you, brother. Awesome. Amazing work, dude. I posted in Discord this morning. Dude, I feel like a proud dad. I feel like a proud dad right now. And Gory, are you currently in profits on this? You should be nice if you took the entry here or if you took it on the retest of the fair value gap. What EMA settings do I use? Nishida, everything that I utilize is in the Discord. Everything is in the Discord. You go to the Discord right here. Anyone who's questioning what indicators I use, it's all in my channel right here. All you got to do is go right here. Look, boom. Everything's right here for you. So you don't have to come in and everything is right here. You go into the Discord. Mods, please drop the Discord below for everybody. Yes, Ahmad, I will. See, now, guys, now I'm getting freaking, because we're talking about so many different things, now I'm not even focused on NQ. So do you see how I'm jumbled now? Because I want to answer your questions, but now I don't even know what's going on NQ. I haven't been looking at it. Let's see. It's like my head is being pulled in a million different directions because I want to help you guys, but it's just like, let me see. Yeah, there's nothing here right now. Nothing here right now. All right. So for the 1 minute model, there's no trade, right? So we're closing in on 950. We're closing in on 950, right? So there's no model here today for the 1 minute. So we could close this out. So the 1 minute's out. The 1 minute model is out for the day. There's no trade on the 1 minute. So we won't be looking at the 1 minute. Now, can we see a potential entry on the 15, right? Yes, but we need to sweep previous day high. We need to come up here and then create an inversion. So now we're no longer focused on the 1 minute as our time window is now gone, right? Now we're solely focused on the 15. Now, since we have more time, right, and we're focusing on the 15 minute, I got to go back to this because I am just so fucking proud of Gory right now. Like, this is... Let me turn this off. We don't need sessions on right now. Like, this right here. Okay, I could turn that off. This is awesome work, bro. Like, for real. For real, dude. I really am. I'm almost lost for words because I really am that proud of you, bro. that you learn this quick, and it's hard for people to catch on fast, and you did a phenomenal job, dude. So I really am proud of you, bro. I didn't even see that in the Discord because it probably got lost, and I don't typically trade AU because I don't really have data on it, but by no means. You know what? If we come down to this fair value gap, Gory, I'll take a small entry on it. I'll take a small stab on this trade, and I'll have stops below, and we'll see. I'll do 0.5% risk, right? Because it's a B setup. But if I could tap back into this fair value gap and get tagged in on a limit, I'll take a small setup here. Because you know what? The risk to reward is worth it, and I'm very proud of you, bro. Just two things I want to state, just so you know and you have it for the future, Gory, is that what would it make this an A++ model is I'll show you the difference, right? Let me show you an A+ model. And then this way you could truly understand, and I'll show you the difference, right? Let's turn this off, the sessions for now, just so it's very clean and it's obvious and easy to see. Let me go to like a super easy setup. We'll go on gold, right? Let me go on gold because Goldie has the best setups. Let me show you like an A++ entry on gold, right? How's Goldie looking? All right, it's coming back down. Totally fine. Here. Boom. This is what would be an A++ setup, right? Notice the difference between what's going on AU and what's going on gold. Here, after we created the CRT, the AMD, right? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, right? CRT, AMD, that we could just call it AMD, but it technically is like candle range theory, but it's more this is manipulation. This is more like distribution, manipulation, distribution, right? So we swept this low, closed, created a bottom wick, right? Closed bullish inside of the 4-hour candle. We swept the low, right? Wicked it, left behind a fair value gap, immediately inversed, right? Immediately inversed. And what did we do? But the thing is, we closed bullish here. You see how we closed bullish, and you see how all of our EMAs are over the 50. You see how all of our EMAs are over the 50 when we got the entry? Those are two criterias which creates an A+ scenario. The scenario that you caught is a B, which is totally fine. It's just a lower probability setup, right? Still worth the risk to reward because the risk, 0.5% to make like upwards of 10R, it's like totally worth it, right? And then what do? As soon as we invert, we enter long, stops below. Oh my goodness, what did gold run to? Oh no, 1 to 32. 1 to 30. Okay? So I hope that helps you guys a little bit with distinguishing an A+ setup from just a B model, right? Let's see what AU's doing. Yeah, I mean, if AU could come back down here, I mean, I still like this, man. I like it. It's a nice trade. Amazing work. Junebug, you always, Junebug, let me make this very, very clear. You will always, but yo, Nicholas Santamaria, you do not give a fuck about fundamentals. Technicals are king. Let me say this one more time. You do not care about fundamentals. Technical analysis is king. Fundamentals drive technicals. That's it. It's volatility for technicals. That's it. That's all it is. You do not trade off of fundamentals. Technical analysis is king. You go off your edge. You go off your data. You don't take a trade because of fundamentals. Please get away from that. Technical analysis is number one. Can this trade stop you out? Is it a lower probability trade? Abso-fucking-lutely. Not everything is aligned for this to be an A+ model. This is a B. This is a B model. It's not even an A. It's not a B+. It's an A. It's a B. Why? This candle did not close bullish, and these during the wick rejection were not above the 50 moving average. Please understand this. I don't care who tells you this. Technical analysis is number one. You go off of technicals. You do not give a fuck about fundamental news. You don't. Technicals drive fundamentals. That's it. If the technicals align, the fundamentals is just the volatility for price to move in your favor or to stop you out. That's it. There's nothing that do you get it? Everything is derived from technical analysis. Everything in the market. The Bollinger Bands I utilize for market direction and for oversold, and for like, if we're oversold, I will look and I want to catch an inversion. I want to see it outside the Bollinger Band. If we're overbought, I'll look for inversion outside of the top Bollinger Band. Okay, good. Everyone knows that. We're gonna do giveaways at 10:30. So, what did somebody say about? Yo, Junebug. Junebug goes, my AUD/USD on Think Market chart doesn't have FVG on the 4-hour. Let me make something very clear. I'll say this once, and I'm gonna put it in the Discord. You don't use any other chart data but FXCM. When you come here, right? Let's delete it. I need to make this very clear. When you come to the charts, right? And you're like, oh, I want AUD/USD. You don't click any other fucking one but FXCM. It's the most accurate data. You don't click Awanda. You don't click Forex. You don't click Pepperstone. You click FXCM every time. I need to make this very clear. You do not click. You go off of FXCM data only. That's it. Nothing else. Ignore every... this is the most accurate data, FXCM. Trust me, I've talked to a lot of people about this when I was trading solely CFDs. This is the most accurate data, FXCM. You only trade FXCM. You come here and you add your symbol, and it has to be FXCM. That's it. Nothing else. Not Awanda, not Forex.com, not Pepperstone, not Capital, not IC Markets. Nothing but FXCM. FXCM feeds are the best. They're number one. They're the best ones. Please just use FXCM. Trust me. Trust me, I've been doing this for a long time, especially in the CFD space. I've tried the other charts. This is the most accurate. Just take my word for it. Please. Please, if there's one thing that you take from me, just use FXCM. Do all your analysis on FXCM charts and focus your entries on the platforms that you trade with CFDs or other charts with. Please. Please, I beg of you. Just do that for me. Okay? Yeah, yo, that Junebug, listen, I traded with them too. It's just the data is more accurate here. Let me check NQ. Let me see NQ. NQ's dumping. But like I said, we didn't sweep anything, bro. Nothing. Right? We didn't sweep. We swept Asia. We didn't even sweep Asia high. We didn't sweep anything. There's no trade here right now, bro. Oh, we swept Asia, right? There's no setup here yet. I'm not outside the Bollinger Bands. Do you want to see what I look for in the 15-minute? Even for Forex, too. Yes, even for Forex. This is specifically for Forex. This is for Forex. This is for CFDs. When you're trading CFDs, trade and look at only the data on the FXCM chart. We have news at... We swept Asia. We have news at 10 o'clock. I'm almost positive we have news at 10 o'clock, right? Yeah, you have PMI. PMI in 3 minutes here. We have PMI in 3 minutes. Can you check US 30? Absolutely. Do you guys want to see the setup that I look for on the 15-minute? Right? I showed you the setup that we look for on the 1 minute. There's no entry on the 1 minute. We're past our window. We're only looking for a setup on the 15-minute. Do you guys know what we're looking for today on the 15-minute chart? Do you guys want to see it? We have this. Please let me know if you want to see what we're looking for on the 15-minute chart. We have this PMI news at 10 a.m. Okay? 2 minutes till PMI. Let's see what goes on here. Jason Lee. Awesome, bro. Yes. Please always use FXCM. Okay. Guys, let's just see how this news plays out in 2 minutes, and then we'll go over the charts. I kind of just want to see what's going on here. Let me get this off. I have too much going on here. Boom. This can go off. These EMAs can go off for now. Boom. All right. What website do I use for news? Guys, this is the best website to use for news. Right here. This is the GOAT. This is the GOAT right here. Oh, shit. Boom, right here. This is what I use for news. forexfactory.com. Hold on. I need to wash. We'll go over that in 1 minute. Hold on. I'll be right back. Please use forex.com. It's the GOAT. Forex.com for news. I use this. I have my account here, right? And then what I do is I'm only concerned with red folder news. I don't give a shit about orange folder. I don't care about yellow folder. So what I do is I created my account. This is your boy right here. This is my account right here. I go to calendar, right? I hit this little T button right here, right? I go in and then I select all of these and I only care about USD news and I only care about USD red folder news. This is it. So I don't overload my shit with news. I just care about the high impact news. Red folder. So create a forex.com account. It's free. Forex Factory account. Totally free. Select red folder news. You click this little T button. When you go to calendars, right? You're going to sign up, do whatever. You're going to go to calendars. It's going to have a whole bunch of fucking news that you don't care about. And then, all right, PMI just came out. It says pending. All right, PMI's out. PMI is out. Let's see. Not a real big reaction. What's Goldie up to? Just to take a quick look. Goldie's back up. Goldie's back up. Goldie's back up. What do I use for gold? FXCM. FXCM charts for gold. FXCM. FXCM. That's it. When you trade CFDs, you use FXCM charts. No other charts. I don't want to see any other charts on your watch list other than FXCM. Digital hard deep. FXCM only, brother. Only FXCM. News hit. What do you guys... Yes, Forex Factory. What do you mean FXCM is not showing? Of course it is. Look, you go to this. You go here. XAU, USD. You go all. Oh. Hold on here. Right here. Boom. XAU, USD, FXCM. Right here. This is what you trade. When you're trading CFDs, you go right here. This is the best. Everybody, please. I'm putting this in the Discord. It's going in the Discord. It's going in the Discord. This is the only data feed you use for XAU USD FXCM. Boom. Go run that up with likes in the Discord right now. There you go. I put it right there. Look. You see? Look. It's in the Discord. I wrote, this is the only data feed you use for XAU USD FXCM. Right here. Look, it's in the Discord. Go run it up with likes. It's in there forever. Now you guys know. Right? Now you won't forget. It's in there. Boom. Now, if you guys want to use Forex Factory, right? Make an account totally free. You go to this little thing on the right, this little thing, and you deselect all of this nonsense, and you only care about the red folder news, and you don't care about anything else but USD news. You hit apply filter, and there you go. All right, NQ back up. NQ back up. Okay, do you want to go over the trade, what we're looking for in the 15-minute now? Two times, what's good? All right, let's go to the 15-minute setup. Not here. Here. Nope, not there either. I got so much going on in this shit. Let me show you a plus 15 minutes. Hold on, yeah. I'm getting there. Okay. Boom. This is what you want to see on a 15-minute chart, right? You go here. Let's put on session breaks real quick so you can see. Now. Here's one setup, right? Same. Oh my God. It's kind of like I've seen Tyler do this before. What model could he possibly be utilizing? AMD. AMD. What do you want to see, though? You're inside of New York kill zone from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Oh my God. It's kind of like Tyler trades another 8 to 10 kill zone, but it's for gold. Now you're learning. Now you're learning. Ready? From 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. on NQ only. Follow me here. Follow me here. This is the 15-minute model. This is the 15-minute model for NQ. From 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. only. So now there's no trades today. We're not getting any trades today, right? You want to see a sweep of previous daily high or previous daily low. It needs to be either of those two important draws on liquidity. Not Asia, not London, not... It needs to be previous daily high or previous daily low, right? You sweep previous daily high inside of the kill zone, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. I will write this out in full detail, right? For you guys. You know what? Let's do it now. Fuck it, since we're not getting any trades today. Step one. You ready? We're going to have a little learning lesson here. Step one. Sweep PDH or PDL in our kill zone, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. NY session, Eastern Standard Time. Right? We're doing a learning lesson because there's going to be no trades today. All right? This is step one. Here's step one. Welcome to Tyler John's webinar. Okay, step one. Here. Sweep previous daily high or previous daily low in our kill zone, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. New York session, Eastern Standard Time. Why are my teeth shining? Because they're fake. I have veneers. I have fake teeth, and I'm damn proud of them. They cost me a lot of money, $15,000. No. Eric, no. Look at me. Eric, you see? You're right. See? This is what I mean. No. It's previous daily high or previous daily low or nothing. Or nothing. I have a model where we trade 830 news based on data wicks, but that is for a different video. That's for a different video. Don't ask me. Oh, Tyler, but we sweep the session disconnected. Oh, you son of a gun. What happened? Oh, you had to go and do that, Granny. What happened there? What just happened there, Granny? What the heck? What was that? Where'd my tray go? Granny. Oh, here we go. Okay. Now. Did you just see that? I just got nerfed. Trading View just can't. What was that? What the heck just happened there? That was weird. Okay. Did you see that? Okay. Now, for the person that asked me a question, right? Listen to me. Listen to me very carefully. Listen to me very carefully. You don't say, oh, but Tyler, we swept Asia. Tyler, we swept London. Are you listening to me when I tell you this? I don't give a fuck. It needs to sweep previous day high or previous day low. Why? Because that's what the best data is on. You don't think I tested it on Asia or London? Do you not think that I tested this? Of course I did. Do you want to win more? It needs to sweep previous daily high or previous daily low. Don't ask me about fucking news wicks. It needs to be previous daily high or previous daily low. Please, if it's not one of those, you don't fucking care. Okay, next step. I need to make myself very clear, because some of you ask questions and it's just like there's no but. There's no but, right? It's like, just listen to what I'm telling you guys, and I promise you'll be more profitable. There's no but. There's no but. It's like, this is the rules. This is the rules of the model. There's no, oh, but we swept Asia. No, but that's not part of the rules, right? It's like, oh, no. There's no. That's it. So here you go. Step 1, you sweep previous daily high or previous daily low during your kill zone, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. New York Standard Time. What happens, right? You get a fair value gap, right, inside of your kill zone, and it's outside the Bollinger Band, right? Here we go. FVG printed during kill zone outside of Bollinger Band. If you need to know the Bollinger Band settings, they are in the Discord. Everything is there. Because I know some of you are going, oh, Tyler, what are your Bollinger Band settings? You're not listening. They're in the Discord. Everything is in the Discord. Do not ask me for the Bollinger Band settings again. They're already in the Discord. Mods, drop the Discord link once again. So if you need to know the indicator settings for the Bollinger Bands, they're in there. Okay? They're in there. They're in the Discord. Everything is at your disposal. There's no more. You don't need to come here and be like, Tyler, what? Tyler, but no. No buts. No buts. They're in the Discord. Everything's there. It'll be there forever. It's in my section on the Discord. Please make your way to the ChartFanatics Discord. FVG printed during kill zone outside of Bollinger Bands. Right here. This is step 2. I need to make this very clear. This couldn't be a more clear mechanical model. Step 2. Step 2. Step 2. Step 1. Sweep previous daily high or previous daily low in our 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. New York session Eastern Standard Time kill zone. Right? There you go. That's step 1. It can't happen. Look, let me make this clear. But Tyler, we swept the high at 7:30. But Tyler, we swept the high at 7:30. Tyler, we swept the high at 7:30. Go ahead. Say it again. Say it the fuck again. Say it again. But Tyler, we swept it at 7:45. Say it again. Say it again. But Tyler, we swept it at 7:58. One more fucking time. One more fucking time, you break the rule. I'm coming there and I'm hitting you over the head with a cast iron goddamn pan. Okay? But Tyler, I swear, no, Tyler, it still looks good. We swept it at 7:30. Is it 8 o'clock? I don't care. Look at me. You see this pan? I will hit you over the head with it. I will come, I will find you, and I will hit you over the head with a cast iron pan. Okay? Not 7:30, not 7:45, not 7:55, not 7:56. 8 a.m. Or you will get the pan to the head. Do you understand, you little strawberry head? Okay. Now that we got that under control, now let's go into step 3. Now that we got that under control, let's go to step 3. You little strawberry head. You little strawberry head. We're going to do the giveaways in 18 minutes. Let me finish this and we'll do the giveaways. Okay? Step 3. Step 3. I got you guys. But we swept the 4-hour high. You don't look at any other time frame but the 15-minute. This is a 15-minute model. You don't look at the 5-minute. You don't look for a confirmation on the 1 hour. You don't look at the 4-hour. You don't look at the 30-minute. You don't look at the 20-minute. You only look at the 15-minute. If somebody asks me, oh, but it looks good on the 1 hour, I don't even fucking trade the 1 hour. I don't trade it. I don't look at the 1 hour chart. I don't look at it. I look at the 15-minute for a model, the 1 minute for a model, and the 4 hour. But when you're trading the 15-minute model, you aren't concerned with the 4 hour. You just care about the 15-minute. Okay? Just don't put Tyler. I hear it all the time. But Tyler this. There's no buts. Just stick to the rules. That's it. I know you want to make it. When you say but Tyler, it's because you want to take a trade that you know that you shouldn't, right? Whenever you say a but, it's because you want to trade because some of the rules are there, but all of them are not there. So you have to convince yourself to take a trade that you shouldn't, right? You're like, oh, but this is a great example. And I'm not making fun of you guys for saying the buts. I love you, but I need to make this clear. Whenever you say, oh, but, it's because you're breaking a fucking rule now, right? You're convincing yourself to take a trade that you know that you shouldn't. Whenever there's a but, you say, oh, but, you ever get into an argument with someone or someone tells you some shit and they're like, oh, but nothing. Oh, but nothing. You're fucking wrong. You're wrong. You're not sticking to your rules. You're creating a but in your mind because you want to take a trade, because you're a degenerate, because you don't have discipline, because you can't sit there and not trade. You need to come up with a but. No buts. No buts. Right? Tell me I'm wrong. Every time that you go into a trade and you're like, oh, I shouldn't take this trade, but I shouldn't do this, but it's because you know that you should not be taking that fucking trade. You know it. You know it, but you're convincing yourself because you're emotionally unstable that you should take that trade. So you come up with a but. There were no buts here. There were no buts here with TG. I will tell you straight up, there's no buts. There are no buts. It's this way or the highway. So let's go into what you're looking for on the third. Now, let's go over. We swept previous daily high, inside of the kill zone, previous daily low, right? In between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. Step 2, we printed an FVG outside of the Bollinger Band, inside of the kill zone. Where would that be? That would be right here. Boom. This is the FVG outside of the kill zone, right? Is everyone following so far? Is everyone following so far? So, now, what did we look for an entry? Oh my God. It's kind of like I've seen this model before. Candle range theory. We sweep the high with a wick. We create a top wick. Look at this, right? We close back in the range, and what do? We invert. We enter on the inversion, stops above the high. Look at this beautiful fucking trade. 1 to 4R. 1 to 4R. Look, swept the high. Like you've seen this setup. We sweep the high, create a wick, close back in the range, immediately invert on the next candle. We immediately invert. We invert on the next candle. We immediately enter short. Our stops are above the fair value gap because we should no longer be trading back to it because it's disrespected. And this is what we go. You could just target a simple 1 to 2 on this. You could, and I'm not going to tell you how to manage the trade. You could take it to the 50 moving average. You could take a 1 to 2. You could take a 1 to 3. Ideally, I like to just take it to the Bollinger Band. I'll take it to the Bollinger Band, and that'll be enough. So this was a nice 1 to 3. Great trade. Great trade here, right? You've seen this model time and time again, right? And we'll go over more of these. But we're going to go over it in one individual stream on the weekend. This way, everything is written. You're not confusing. You're not saying, oh, but Tyler, can we focus on the 4-hour time frame? Oh, but Tyler, can we focus on the 1 minute? No. This weekend, we're only focusing on the 15-minute. So your mind isn't all over the place because it's a lot of information at once. You guys need to keep structure. So we'll do a weekend stream, right? How about, let's do would you guys be down for me to do a stream? Do you wait for the inversion candle to close? Shamel, you always wait for the inversion candle to close. You always wait for the inversion candle to close. Always. You don't get premature cellulation. You do not sell before the candle closes. You sit there and you wait. You don't get premature cellulation. Okay? Would you guys like me to do a stream Sunday for a little knowledge? Sunday morning. Little knowledge. What time frame do you guys want to focus on for Sunday? What time frame you guys want to focus on? What model? Give me the model that you guys want to focus on. Correct, Codex. Let me know what model do you want to focus on for the first session, for the first learning session. It'll be Sunday service with TG. Sunday service. Let me know of course, guys, I freaking love you. What time? Not this Sunday? Well, yo, me, dog, and cat adventure. It'll be recorded. It'll be recorded, so you could just go and see it. 9 a.m.? Okay. 15 minute? 15 and 4 hour? No, we're doing one. We're doing one. There's not two. Each Sunday service will be a different model. So I'm seeing a lot of 15. No, not 1 and 15. Do you see you guys are getting confused? You guys are already making mistakes. I said 1. Some of you are listing 2. It's either 15 minute, 1 minute, 4 hour. Which one? New York morning. Okay. 4 hour. 9:30, 15. I'm seeing a lot of 15. 30? No, we're not doing the Trident model because there's plenty of stuff. The ChartFanatics video on the Trident model, it's everything. It's probably more in depth than I will give because I wrote it out with Riz on a whiteboard. 160 likes. All right, we're going to do the 15. All right, we're going to do the 15. That I'm putting in the Discord. We're putting it in the Discord, right? We're going to do 15-minute model, Sunday service with your boy. Let's learn some shit. It's in the Discord right here. Look. Right here. Hold on. Come on. Oh, it's not working. Here we go. Right here. 15-minute Sunday service with your boy. That's the plan. Sunday. Lock it in. For the boys. And females. Okay? What time is the stream? What time? Okay. What time is a good time for you guys? How about like... Can we do 9 a.m.? Can we do 10 a.m. Eastern? And we'll go on for like an hour. We'll do like an hour stream. Is that cool? How about 10 a.m. Eastern on Sunday? Is everyone okay with 10 a.m. Eastern on Sunday for the stream? Yeah, I was thinking 10 a.m. Eastern on Sunday. This way I could sleep in a little, go to the gym. Would you guys like that? 10 a.m. Eastern on Sunday. That would work the best for me. This way I could sleep in a little bit, get my rest, go to the gym, have my coffee, come down and sit down with you guys. 10 a.m. is perfect? All right, done, man. All right, hell yeah. All right, lock it in. We're doing Sunday service, 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Knowledge with your boy TJ. 10 a.m. That's the plan. All right, lock that in. 10 a.m. Sunday morning, Eastern Standard Time. That's the plan. We're locking that in. If you guys can be there for that, I would love that. And it will be recorded, so you could always go back and watch it then, right? So it's like if you can't make it, it's not the end of the world. You can come back and watch the recording of it. But for the people that will be live and want to ask questions live, I will be there Sunday morning for you guys. Yeah, I freaking love you guys. Hell yeah. This is awesome. This is freaking awesome. Love you guys. I'm looking forward to it. Of course. I'm here to help you. See, I'm taking time out on the weekend, in the morning. Who else is doing this shit? Nobody. Me. I am. Because I love you. All right. How about we do some freaking giveaways? How about that? How about we do some giveaways? Would you guys like that? How about giveaway time? Of course, guys. Anything for you. Of course. Would you guys like some giveaways? All I ask is smash the like button. You know, I'm doing a lot for you guys, man. I'm trying to give you as much of me as possible, and I want to give back. And Yeah, I'm just trying to separate myself. Nobody else is doing this shit. I'm telling you. Nobody is taking time out of their Sunday to go and give back to you guys for free. I am. Because I take this serious. I want you guys to thrive. I want you guys to be successful. Yes, tomorrow. Guys, I'm not going to be able to do Asia tonight. I have to go to a dinner. I'm going to a dinner tonight. So I'll be back for Asia tomorrow. But I will be in the Discord and I will be trading. So I'll still be there trying to trade, but I won't be able to stream Asia tonight. But I'll be back for Asia tomorrow. I'll be back for Asia tomorrow, and we have the live stream today that we did. I just can't do Asia tonight because I have a dinner I'm going to. I hope you guys understand. All I ask for you guys to do is just hit the thumbs up button. I feel like that's not much to ask. Let's run some giveaways. You got to protect me, guys. You got to protect your boy. Of course. All right, we're going to run some giveaways. What's NQ up to? Let's just take a look. I'm seeing in the Discord, people's got some profits. Okay. I'm seeing some sauce in the Discord. Ooh, NQ. What's that mean? Goldie's down, right? Let's see Goldie. Goldie's chilling. NQ's back up. NQ is back up. Goldie's chilling. What do I keep doing here? Wow. Okay. Look at where we're going. Look at where we're going. Look at where we're going here. Oh. We're outside of our window, unfortunately. Unfortunately, we're outside of our window of time. Right? So, looks like we're going to go nab previous day high. That seems like the obvious draw. But yeah, let's run some giveaways. I appreciate every single one of you that tune in. I love you guys. I love you guys. There's no buts. There's no buts. There's no buts. There was no buts here. We're going to do the giveaways. All right. How many setups do I get a month? It depends on the market conditions. Sometimes I could have, one trade a week. Sometimes I'll go a week without a trade on the 15-minute. It depends. It totally depends on the market conditions. Usually there's sometimes a week where I don't get a trade on the 15-minute, but I have the other models. Do you know what I mean? You have a playbook. This is what I'm saying. If I don't get a trade for a week on the 15-minute, the 1 minute will make up for it, or the 4 hour will make up for it. This is what becoming a well-diverse trader is. I have multiple plays in my playbook now. So when one play is a little bit slower, I make up with another play, right? Okay. So, let me get Ant to run the giveaway here, and we're going to do some ducky races. We're going to do some freaking ducky races. We got accounts to give away here. Let me ask Ant. All right, let me see what they're saying. All right, guys. If you want to join the ducky race for the giveaway, right? What you're going to do right now, you're going to do it one time, exclamation point join right now. The first 100 people will be taken to the promised land with the ducky race. Exclamation point join. Exclamation point join right now. One time, or the Nightbot will remove you. One time, that's it. Do it right now. What accounts we got? Give me a list. All right, I'm texting Ant. Exclamation point join. Exclamation point join. One time. Here we go. Exclamation point join, baby. Let me check my phone. Look, we going to previous day high, kid. Sent on WhatsApp. What do we got here? All right. So what we're giving away today is, let me tell you guys what we're giving away. We are giving away 3 Apex accounts, 1 funded next, 1 alpha, and 1 count 'em, 6 months paid seller. We have a ton of entries. Wheel or ducky race? No, guys. No, we got a ducky race. Yo, let's pay for the premium duck race. You get way more entries. All right, yo. I'm just checking my phone here, guys. All right, guys. All right. Okay. Okay, hold on. All right. Okay. Are we ready? Are we ready for the ducky races? Are we ready? Looks like NQ is going to go get previous day high. This looks like a clear draw on liquidity right here. Clear draw. PDH. It looks very obvious here. It looks like this is where we're going, without a doubt. All right. It's time. It's time. I got the list. Let me put my hat. Hold on here. Let me put my hattie on. Hold on. Please. Hold on. You give me 1 second here. All right. All right, here we go. If your name is on the list, it means you made it tonight. It means you, oh, not tonight, this morning. If not, it means you weren't quick enough and you're a loser. And you'll have to join tomorrow. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. Whoa. Guys, I think we're going to plan on getting the premium ducky race. Look out, my boy Shrimp Sauce is in here. My boy Shrimpy Sauce. Oh. Here we go. All right. My boy Shrimpy Sauce. All right, this is the list. These are the people who made it today. All right, here we go. This is the list. This is who made it today. I'll go slow. I'll go slow. If you see your name on this list, it means you made the cut. If you didn't make it on this list, it means you were too slow, you're a loser, and you're going to have to try again tomorrow. Okay? Don't get mad at me. You just weren't quick enough. You had to be quick. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. This is who we got tonight. I mean, today. Oh, Chippa. Who else is in here? Who am I seeing here? A lot of new... Oh, there's Gurpreet. A lot of new names here. Johnny Chung. That's my boy. Cornelius. Tudor. This is Frozen Flames in here. Nicholas Santa Maria, Life Construction. All right, that's the cut today. That's the cut. No, yo, Peter, we are going to get the premium ducky races where we could have more entries. You see here where it says unlock premium? We're gonna get that. We're gonna put it on Papa Riz's company card for ChartFanatics. It's very exciting stuff. We're gonna unlock premium here, right? Once you unlock premium, look, add up to 1,000 ducks. I'm putting this on Papa Riz's company card. And you know what? He can't say no now because I already said it on stream. So he literally has no choice. So, guys, everyone thank Papa Riz for the company card to add 1,000 ducks. So, since I said it on stream, he has no choice but to say yes because he's not going to let the people down, right? Right, Papa Riz? Thank you, Papa. Everyone say thank you, Papa Riz. Thank you, Josh, for the company card for the 1,000 duckies because without the duck races, we are nothing. And imagine having 1,000 ducks. 1,000 little quackity quacks in the pond. So we're going to get the premium, but for today, we're going to stick to the 100. But I'm sure after today's stream, Papa Riz will buy the 1,000 unlock, the premium for the ducky races. Because, like I said, we already said it on stream, so he can't say no. All right. Look at it. Joshy goes, I'm purchasing now. Look, this is why we have the best family and the best team in the business. Joshy boy goes, yo, I'm buying it right now. That's my brother. That is my man. That's my boy. That's my brother right there. So we are going to have the 1,000 ducky races tomorrow, okay? For today, we stick to the 100 people that made the cut. The 100 people that made the cut, you're right here. But tomorrow, we will have up to 1,000 duckies in the pond. 1,000. All right, let's run. Here we go. Are we ready? 40 seconds on the clock. 40 seconds on the clock. Remember, if you are a little strawberry head and you win, I will double your Apex Trader funding account giveaway. I will double it. On your mark, get set, go. Here comes Pete Edmondson. Pete Edmondson on the left-hand side, maintaining a strong lead. Here comes Numer Adam. You little strawberry head. Here comes Shoutage Khan. Shoutage Khan maintaining a strong lead. Hold on, let me scroll down here. Here comes Sergey and Nasi Nafin. Zainab, George Washington, the little George Washington. Here comes EUG. Here comes Oog maintaining a strong lead in the front. But Pete Edmondson giving him a run for his money. An absolute run for money. Here's Robbie A. Robbie A looking good. Here comes EUG. Here comes Grandma. EUG. But who's coming in the backfield? The king. Santa Claus. He's coming to fucking town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. Guess what, Balarezzo? You are not on the naughty list tonight, my friend. You're a fucking winner. Were you on the... did you just come down my chimney? Did you just come down my chimney? What are you doing here, Santa Claus? You should be at the North Pole. Santa Claus is coming to town, and he's seeing you when you're sleeping, and he knows when you're awake. Congratulations, Balarezzo, my brother. You little Santa, you little naughty Santa, you with your little Santa hat. You little Santa. I know him. Santa! I know him. Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color? One of the greatest movies of all time. Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color? All right, our first Apex Trader. Where's my boy? Balarezzo, are you here, my brother? Balarezzo, are you here, my brother? Oh, boy. Is he here? He better be here. He's probably... Oh, God. Balarezzo, are you at the North Pole? Did you go... Oh, my... Hold on, wait. Hold on, he's calling me. Balarez. Oh. Wait, hold on. Yeah? Oh. No, I'll tell them. Yeah, no, I'll tell them right now. No, I'll tell them. Guys, Balarezzo is, he, first of all, He's with Mrs. Claus right now, and things are getting hot and steamy. Things are getting hot and steamy on the sleigh, and something about milk and cookies, and Mrs. Claus getting some new lingerie. So I think he's gonna pass. I think he's gonna pass on this giveaway. He was telling me he's real busy with Mrs. Claus. Something about her getting new lingerie, and then there's also 2 elves involved, and that he had way too many milk and cookies, and something about Mrs. Claus doing something that he's never seen before. And then they got the elves are there too. So, all right, he's busy. I understand. Listen, I understand. I understand. I get it. Trust me, I understand. I get it. I get it. We're gonna run another one. Balorezzo. I'm sure Mrs. Claus is giving you... You're having a fantastic time right now with the 2 little elves, too. All right, pal. Listen, see you on Christmas. All right. All right, here we go. Here we go. Are you ready? On your mark. Get set. Go. Okay, we have cricket news. Cricket news looking strong. Here comes cricket diaries. Cricket news and cricket diaries, hand in hand. Cricket news and cricket diaries. Are you canoodling? Why is there 2 crickets? Johnny Chung looking strong. Johnny Chung. Here comes Tyra. Tyra, you little construction. But here, Peter Brandt, the old fart, and Donnie Trump. Whoa. Living with Dill. Oh my. Elon. He just came from outer space. Oh my! Don't you dare, you little mermaid, you! Who's coming for the crown? Chris B, the conductor. Choo choo. Thomas the tank engine. Choo. All aboard. Chris. All aboard. All aboard. Ticket, please. All aboard, Captain. All aboard! Final stop, Penn Station. You little conductor, you. You need to check my monthly train ticket pass, you little conductor. You should be on the Long Island Railroad. What are you doing here? Are you kidding me? Chris B? Shout out Chris B. Congratulations, you're a winner of Apex Trader Funding Account giveaway. All right, giveaway number 2. Second Apex Trader Funding account. Starting right now. Here we go. Shuffle. Don't worry, guys. I shuffle every time. You guys think... I shuffle every time. Here we go. On your mark. You see a little... Guys, what do you see right here? What do you see right here? This is danger. This is danger right here. You see him? You little strawberry head. You little freaking strawberry head, you. Here we go. On your mark. Get set. Go. Oh my god! The conductor again! The conductor man! Sana Shaka Khan! Oh my god, you little conductor! Wow! He's running away with... Here's Tuda. But here comes Satvind Singh and DG. DC looking good. DC and Tuda neck and neck. But here comes Shamil Sanchez, Tuda, and DC neck and neck. Great race right now, but it comes down to the last 10 seconds. The last 10 seconds mean everything. Here comes the old fart, Peter Brandt. Tuda and DC falling shortly behind. Here comes Avril Sharma maintaining a good lead. But who's coming up? Trandeo! Heyo, it's Trandeo! Congratulations, Tran. You little Tran. Please, Tran, we take this very, very serious here at the DRFF. We maintain integrity. We maintain strict rule criteria here. No performance-enhancing substances of any kind. You need to be able to pass a full urine, full blood panel, and full colorectal exam done by the one and only your favorite host of the Words of Wisdom podcast, Rizzy Boy. He will fly you out to London himself, and he will do the full examination to make sure you're maintaining strict integrity here at the DRFF before you get your account. So expect a first-class ticket from your boy Rizzy, and he's going to fly you down. He'll do the full urine analysis. He'll do the full blood panel to make sure that you are clean. And then he said something about a colorectal exam, just something that he does for fun. So, congratulations, Tranteo. We look forward to seeing you, you little strawberry head. All right, next race. Tranteo's here. Guys, I can't increase the time because I'm doing so many races and I literally won't have any voice left. We're doing one more Apex. All right, this is the list. One more Apex. One more Funded Next. One more Alpha. One Apex. One Funded Next. One Alpha. And 6, count them, 6 months. Trade seller. Here we go. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Okay, we have Jonas Kittikitis. Joni Kittikitis. All right, here's Amkar Vaidu looking good, but Jonas maintaining a strong lead. The BK dot in first place, but here's Donnie boy, Donnie Trump, Joanna Gray, but Amkar maintaining a strong lead in the front, pushing the pack behind. Who is this? Robbie out of the backfield out of nowhere, turning on the absolute jets. But here comes Duwad looking good, and James Pond on the right-hand side. Neck and neck race here. Here's Lex Vidal music. Lex Vidal music looks like he's going to take it. Lex Vidal music. Lex Vidal. I already know you won the day. You little Lex Vidal, you little ducky head. You won. I'm almost positive Lex won the 6 months, 6 months trade Zella. No way! Lex, are you here, bud? Oh my goodness! Lex, are you here? Yo, Lex literally won the 6 months the other day. You little strawberry head. Are you kidding? Is he here? Holy cow. Lex, are you here? Yo, Lex, you're a freaking animal. Lex, all right. You know what? Now you're up to something here. Lex, let me ask you a question. You put in Marky says re-race. Marky says re-race. He already has a subscription. All right. Well, well, wait, hold on here. Listen, we're actually gonna have to decide through the group here. We're gonna have to take a minute here. We're gonna have to take a minute to decide among the group if this is a valid win. Hold on here. Wait 1 second. I'm fighting for this. No. Lex, the win is valid. I told Marky to shut up. I said, Marky's in the chat. Listen, Marky said we might have to do a rerun. I said, no. I said, wait, you can't do that. Do you want to know why? I said, because although you want to trade Zella, right? You didn't win an Apex account yet. Could Lex potentially be doing left, right, up, down, select A, B, prior getting into the duck race to do the cheat codes? I don't know. Or he's very lucky. Now he's got an Apex Trader Funding account, and he's got the Trade Zella 6 month subscription. He's on a fucking hot streak. He's on a heater. It's like when you're on the blackjack table. You don't just walk away when you're on a heater. You keep playing. You keep fucking playing. You don't walk. The table's hot. The decks are hot. Let Lex keep going. Tell Marky. You tell Marky to shut up. Okay? Lex, you deserve this, brother. You're hot. You're on a hot streak. Things happen, right? The tables are hot. You hit blackjack again. Congratulations, pal. You deserve it. I will fight for you here at the DRFF. Look at me. I'm the fucking CEO. I run the ship here, not Marky, okay? Marco. Look at me here. This is my fucking race. Look at me. Look at me, Marco. Look at me, Marky. I run this ship. This is my race. I am the head of the DRFF. And what I say goes. And Lex is on a fucking heater. Okay? He deserves this account and he's getting it. Love you, Lex. I love you, Lex. Guy's on an absolute fucking heater. Let the man cook, Marco. Don't try and limit him to one giveaway. You can't win okay. You can't win 2 giveaways in one day, but you could win a giveaway today and you could win again tomorrow. 100%. 100%. You're on a fucking heater. You stay on that heater. All right, let's do the next race. I think that was all 3 Apex accounts. Now we're doing funded next. Look at gold. What's happening to gold? Well, let me guess. A retracement and you're scared. Oh, no, you're scared. Guys, what did I say? You don't look at this. Stop looking at it. Stop it. Stop looking at gold. Enough. Don't look at it. It's fine. Leave it. You don't care. You sit there and you don't care. Don't ask me about gold. You're good. Leave it. Don't get scared. This is part of it. It's going to come back down. You got to let it breathe. Okay, we're doing another race. No more gold. It's fine. Stop fucking looking at it. Stop. Stop. Stop looking at it. No more. All right, here we go. We're doing funded next, and then alpha, and then 6, count them, 6 months. TradeZilla. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. All right. Here's Demon D. Demon D on the right-hand side, but here comes Hansen. Hansen, Wiredo. Hansen, Wiredo maintaining a strong lead in the front. Looking strong, looking ready. Here comes Amadaman, the conductor. The conductor coming up for the lead. But here comes Mitvesky. Oh, Majka. Majka, you little mohawk. Majka looking good. Junebug slowly behind. But here comes Chris Moqueet. Chris Moqueet. Who's coming in the backfield? Who is that? Who's that in the back? Oh my god. Dedelia FX, you little strawberry head. But here comes Count Dracula. Jobeth. Oh my god, Jobeth. You little strawberry head was right there. Jobeth. You're coming. You little Count Dracula. You can't be out during the daytime. You're scared of the sun. You little vampire. You can't be out in the sun. There's no way. How are you out in the sun right now? Vampires can't be out in the sun. You would burn. You would melt. You little vampire. You coming to suck the blood? Jabeth. Congratulations. You're a winner of today's funded next account. You little Count Dracula. Yo, that little strawberry head was right there. You little strawberry head. Oh my god. Jabeth. Jabeth, let me ask you a question. How are you out in the daytime right now? Riddle me that, pal. Huh? Riddle me the hell that. How are you out in the daytime? Let me know. Huh? How you out in the daytime right now? Yeah? Oh yeah. You're telling me you're not taking something to be out during the day? You only come out at night. You're scared of the sun. All right. Now, next account. Alpha Capital. Oh no, I'm scared of gold. Oh no. Yeah. No, it's fine. We won't stop it. But Tyler, look at gold. It's coming back down. Come here. But Tyler, look at gold. It's coming back down. Come here. There are no fucking buts. No buts. No buts. Anyone? No. No buts. Stop it. But Tyler, gold's coming down. Come here right now. Come here. Say but one more time. Say it. Say but. But Tyler, no fucking buts. No buts. Leave it. Thank you. Okay, now that I got that out of my system here. You understand what I just said? If anybody here says but one more time, I'm coming with the cast iron pan. Here we go, you little strawberry heads. This is for Alpha Capital. The next one is for all the marbles. On your mark. Get set. Go. We're lagging. Oh my god, we're lagging. Oh my god. There's a glitch. What happened? Granny, don't. They're trying to nerf me. The Matrix. The Matrix. They're trying to get me. You won't get me. Okay, we're gonna try this again. Okay, we're back. That was weird. Let me do a shuffle. The Matrix. Okay, on your mark, get set, go. Here we go. We got sniper entry looking good at the open. Sniper entry looking real good. But here's Ciafoni. Ciafoni maintaining a strong lead. Ciafoni and Sniper neck and neck. Sniper entry running away with it. He's running away with it right now, but it all comes down to the last 10 seconds. Here comes 24K Genie. Here comes... Oh, I can't even... Here comes... Number 66, looking really, really strong. Here's Sage maintaining strong lead right behind him. Here comes Usama Farouk. Oh, but here goes falling behind. Sage maintaining strong lead. Who's going for the taking? Samir trades. Samir, congratulations, you're a winner of Alpha Capital account, my brother. Yeah, Samir, great win. You can't listen. I'm very proud of you there, bud. What happened here is you came out of the backfield out of nowhere. You little red Robin. You little red man. You looking really good in that red, and they didn't see you until the end, and you came out strong. What a freaking win. Is Samir here? Samir! There he is. Samir, congratulations, my brother. All right. This is the moment we've all been waiting for, right? This is what dreams are made of, right? This is what dreams are made of. This is where champions are born. And this is why you stick around to the end, right? With great moments comes great responsibility. And this is it. I want each and every one of you right there running this ducky race, I want you to leave it all out in the fucking pond right now. Listen, I'm gonna give you like a little coaching tip here. You give it everything you got. I don't care if your little ducky feathers are tired. I don't care if you're in pain, if you're sore from yesterday's race. You get out there and you leave every ounce of energy on that fucking pond right now. Do you want to know why? Because this giveaway right here, this one right here, is for 6, count 'em, 6 months. Trade seller. Say it one more time. I'm going to say it one more time. This is the Holy Grail. This is what you all wait for. This giveaway right here, the last one, you leave it all on the field. Everything you got. All out. I want an all-out race. Everything you guys got left in the tank. Because this race right here, this one, is for 6, count 'em, 6 months. Trade seller. Let's do it. Let's fucking do it. Let's fucking do it. I'll shuffle once. Here we go. On your mark. Get set. Go. Here comes Machka. Oh, Farouk. George Washington, the king of the castle. George Washington looking good, looking very strong out the gate. Here comes Machka. Batman looking good also as well. Here's Sage neck and neck with Farouk. Farouk looking good. Farouk looking strong. Majka also looking very, very good in the front right now. Farouk maintaining a strong lead. Who's the little dinosaur? Oh my god, you little T-Rex, the supreme leader. But here comes Majka. Majka maintaining a strong lead. Right behind is Peter Brandt, the old fart. Valarezo. But who's coming out? Oh my god, don't you dare do it. No! Shrimp sauce! Shrimpy! No way! Oh, this is the best day of my entire life. You little fucking shrimp head. Shrimps, did I not say it? This is... Shrimp sauce, you better be fucking here right now. Shrimp sauce, are you here? Shrimpy, dude, where are you? Shrimpy, are you here right now? Are you kidding me? You little shrimpy head? Are you serious? You little shrimp sauce. There's no way. Are you kidding me right now? Oh my good god. You little shrimp head. Shrimpy, where are you, bud? Holy cow! We talked about this. I wanted to see a little shrimp head win, and he did. You little shrimpy sauce. Are you freaking kidding me? Where are you, bud? Shrimpy. Shrimp sauce. Are you here? You look. Shrimpy. You little shrimp head. Congratulations. You just won 6 months Trade Zealot subscription. You little shrimpy head. You're a winner. You're a freaking winner, you little shrimp head. I see your little shrimp. You look at your cute little shrimp right here on your name, you little shrimp sauce. You little freaking shrimp sauce. I can't even believe this shit. Yo, I love you, shrimpy sauce. You little shrimp head. You look like a little shrimp in that. You look like just like a little shrimp swimming in that pond, you little shrimp sauce. I can't believe you won, dude. Fuck yeah. That's awesome. I wanted freaking Shrimpy to win so bad. I'm glad Shrimpy won. Wow. Alright. Damn. Alright, let's see. Oh my god, look, gold back up. Oh no. Oh no. I get too scared. Oh no. Just sit there and leave it. Alright, let me turn the duckies off. Guys. Phenomenal day. Right? Although we didn't get a trade, we got a trade last night. We're still in these beautiful swing longs on gold. We're maintaining discipline. We're executing our edge, and we are focusing on our plan. Focusing on our edge in the market, focusing on becoming better traders, right? I want to do this closing message. I always do I'm doing my closing message, and then we'll be done for the day, right? Let me close out here. And I'll be active in the Discord, right? This is my closing statement for the boys. Take my ducky hat off. I just wanted to say, another amazing day. Look, gold right back up. Gold's right back up. Look at it. Here we go. Oh, you can't see. Goldie's coming back up. No need to worry. No need to fret. Just chill out. Relax. We came to the market and we looked for our edge. Although we didn't get a trade today, we maintained discipline. We maintained patience. We preserved our capital, and that's a fucking win. I told you guys, every single day where you maintain capital and you don't take a loss, and it's a green day. You're green, bro. You gotta look at it like that and start to make this shift in your mentality, right? When you don't take a trade and you don't lose, or you go break even, you are green. I can guarantee about 90 to 95% of people overtraded, over-risked, lost accounts today, and didn't stick to their plan because they came up with this one word right here. But this, but that. No buts. But saying the word but is an excuse for you to break a rule, to overtrade, to not stick to your plan, and not manage your emotions perfectly, right? What are we here? We're professional traders. We're real traders. We're not acting on emotion. We're acting on statistics. We're acting on probabilities, right? I'm so extremely blessed to have come here for another stream. I'm not going to be active tonight on Asia, but I will be there in the Discord. We will be taking trades together in the Discord. So if you're not in the Discord, and although you won't see me active on the stream tonight, I will be in the Discord. I'll be in the Discord the rest of the day. I'll be hanging out with you guys, and we'll be trading tonight, just like any other night. We'll be looking for trades. I just won't be on the stream because I'll be at dinner. But you bet your bottom dollar that I'm still trading tonight because I live for this shit. So I'll be trading, and tomorrow we'll pick up the Asia streams. Sunday, we will do the Sunday service with your boy TG at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in. You know, I noticed that my viewers here are growing, and I'm so blessed and thankful that you guys are now tuning in a little bit more. We're gonna build something huge. I'm gonna build great traders out of you. You guys are gonna be freaking animals. You're gonna be posting some mega payouts soon, and I'm gonna change the game here with, as far as people who are reliable, who are actually educating and doing it for a good reason and a good cause. And I love you guys deeply, and I'm just so appreciative to be able to do this full-time as my job. This is my dream career, my dream job, so I don't take it for granted. I come here with amazing energy, and you will get the best energy from me every single day. And you will always get, what is the word I'm looking for? You always get full transparency with me. As always, everything that I tell you guys is the truth. Nothing's a lie. Nothing's a gimmick. I'm not trying to get over on you guys. I'm not trying to manipulate you guys in any single way. I am here for you and for our team. The ChartFanatics team, I want to, you know, maintain integrity by them. I want them to know that, you know, we have a streamer on here that really tries to do the right thing and delivers a good message. Not only is entertaining, but is a great trader, delivers a good message, and stands by what ChartFanatics is all about. And same with Marky. Marky does an amazing job. He's an amazing individual, good friend of mine. He's going to be here soon in Miami. And guess what? When Marky does come here, we're going to do a stream together in my apartment, right? In my apartment, just like I did with Papa Gene. So me and Marky are going to trade together in my apartment. So be on the lookout for that when Marky's here in Miami. We got a lot of fun stuff planned. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the Discord. I'm going to go get a coffee. I'm going to chill out. No more trading for me until tonight. Just going to relax, do some emails, do a few other things that I have to do for some work. And yeah, to all the winners, congratulations. I love you guys. Until tomorrow, I'll see you guys in the Discord. You know, we'll talk in the Discord. But I'll see you tomorrow on stream. I love and appreciate every single one of you. Have an amazing, blessed day. Don't over risk, don't over trade. Please stick to your plan. Don't feel the need to go and trade more today. All right. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.